Hey everybody, Lindsay Jones here for Top Mom Blogger. Wanted to share with you one of my favorite tools for Twitter parties. Of course, Twitter parties are a great way to expand your brand awareness, to talk about different companies that you might be working with. It's a great way to build your community, your readership, and whether you are hosting the Twitter party or whether you are participating in a Twitter party, Tweetgrid is the tool that I have found that makes life a whole lot easier. So this is it. This is the main screen, tweetgrid.com. It has your how-to and your frequently asked questions and stuff like that over there. But for the purpose of a Twitter party, you're going to want to click right here where it says party. You'll enter your party hashtag, which of course every single Twitter party is going to require a hashtag. That's the most important part because that is what will be searched for so that you will know that people are participating. So if you are the host, then you will need to create the hashtag and make sure that everybody who wants to participate has that hashtag. So whether it's a product or an event or whatever. For this example, we'll use the one that I use for work, which is pound Party Plan Divas. So you will put the pound in there so you have the complete hashtag. Next, you'll put the party host, which obviously if that's you, then you will put in your Twitter handle. For this example, we'll put in my work Twitter handle, which is the @PartyPlanDivas. But whomever is hosting the party, whoever's in charge, this is the person that is going to be conducting the party, asking the questions, doing the giveaways and such. You want to make sure that you put that in there. Sometimes you have more than one, and if that's the case, then you just put a comma in between and you can add several party hosts. And then the last one, you'll want to put your own personal username in there. And so that one you don't actually need. You see they've already have the @ symbol in there, so you won't need to put that on there, but you'll put your personal Twitter handle in for your username and then click on join the party. So here is the main party screen, and we'll go through this. This very first column here is actually kind of where the party is happening. This is going to be pulling this hashtag. So Tweetgrid is searching the Twitter sphere for anybody who is using the hashtag that is, going for your party. So everybody who's going to be using it, of course, the party is not active right now, so we don't have a lot of movement going on here. But this particular screen will be moving very, very quickly. And again, it's pulling everybody that is using that hashtag. This center here is the party host, so you want to monitor this to make sure that you're getting all of the questions, all of the information that they're tweeting out, if there's prizes, if there's giveaways, sometimes there's discount codes, that type of thing. So you've got all of that information happening right here. And then this third column is actually where you are talking. So this is the things that you have said, people who are talking to you or retweeting you, stuff like that. So that way, in case anybody maybe leaves out the hashtag but is sending a message or replying to you, you'll still be able to see them there. As I hover over these, you see these little icons that are showing up on all of the tweets. Tweetgrid has it integrated so that you can literally do everything necessary needed for the party right from this main screen. So these icons let you reply, retweet, favorite a post, direct message, email a tweet, all those kinds of things. So you can literally do everything without leaving this screen. When you get here though, the very first thing that you want to do is come up here to where it says log in. And when you click on that, it's going to launch Twitter and ask if you will authorize Tweetgrid to use your account. Now here I'm already signed in, so that's good to go. So then I'll click on Authorize App, and it shows me as logged in right here where it says User Moscato Mom. So this is where you will be doing all of your tweets. And see, you have actually you have 124 characters, so you can put your tweet in here. Oops, spelled that wrong. Okay, so you can put your tweet in here, and what I love about Tweetgrid is that, see over here in this hashtag, it's automatically going to add the hashtag that is for the party. So you don't have to try and remember to add that to every single tweet. So that's why it showed me with this number here, it showed me as having less than 140. It's because it's going to enter that hashtag. So I just put, you know, hi all, how's your Tuesday going? Of course, because this is actually live going to Twitter, so we're not, you know, participating in the Twitter party right now. But you hit tweet and see right here it says success, so you know that went through correctly. Sometimes it'll say uh-oh, try again. And if it says that, then make sure that the tweet hasn't actually doubled itself, because that's one thing that I notice with Tweetgrid, especially when I'm retweeting and replying using these two right here. Sometimes it'll double itself, so I just have to delete that second. So this will update in real time. However, if it doesn't go fast enough for you, I think it's refreshes every 5 or 10 seconds, something like that. But if it's not going fast, oh, there it goes. If it wasn't going fast enough for you, then you can hit this search button, and that will scan and try to find that as well. So here we go. You can see where I've got this, where I showed up here is hi all, how's your Tuesday going? And then it showed up in my feed over here. So there are a couple other things that you can do. You can kind of look around here and see. You can log out, stop if it's going too fast, that kind of thing. So Tweetgrid, you want to make sure that you follow them also, which you can do so right there, and any new updates, they've got some really cool tweets that they send out also. But this is my favorite software. Again, if you are participating in a Twitter party or even hosting it, you know, this is my favorite software to use. So I hope that this cleared up how to use Tweetgrid. I hope that you'll enjoy using it as much as I do. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll respond as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.